inkosi umasipala like hayibo angena wena mfethu
uyaphila
umusa wakhe simbonga sinkosi yaphila
ngiyaphila uyazi ngiyengizwa uma ukhuluma isingisi lapha ku-social media.
Yeah.
Can you speak English for me?
Ukuthi I sincerely haven't had something edible for the day. I mean, mina ngihlezi in sacred proximity by these vicinities, and he who is enthroned in the vast and infinite horizons will bless you in ways that outsurpass the broadness and the vastness of the back of your cerebral.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ukuzani met bonga for the first time, and we are gonna go to they are both happy to bump into each other, and people are saying ukuthi ubonga wadlala ngemathuba now has back on the street bazama kumsita, but yena wadlala ngemathuba and English iphuma ngedumbumo lo mfana ayi English uyayishaya shem. So people are saying ukuthi this guy is very intelligent, he's very smart, but hlezi nje bamsita adlalela ngemathuba. Oloku yena utifonela ukuthi hlalela njena etitradini atikhulumele singisi khona. But guys, mina I think ukuthi vele khona something like right, like serious, because ngeke basibamsita bonga abuyele estradini futhi akekho right lo muntu mentally. Akusina indzabe ukuthi batothi khona ngileti ndati ibhema kuqha. Angiboni nje mina ukuthi ngiloko ngibona ukuthi this thing it's deeper than we actually think. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.